Welcome back to Auto Action. Mercedes-AMG's speed have pumped up the mild-mannered CLE-class coupe and convertible into the muscle-bound CLE53. A 443 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine is installed under the hood, aided by a 48-volt hybrid system. The power is routed to a 9-speed automatic with all-wheel drive. The performance is strong. We estimate a 3.8-second 60 miles per hour time for the coupe, and the chassis is optimized for pleasure on twisting roads. An adjustable damper system allows the driver to adjust the amount of comfort or body control based on the current driving conditions, while a rear-wheel steering system sharpens directional shifts. Visually, the CLE53 has racier stylistic aspects than its Benz-branded predecessor, but it still appears adequately upmarket inside. The cabin is supplied with high-end materials and competitive technology, but the infotainment system isn't always as intuitive as we'd like and takes some effort to find and use all of its capabilities. Even so, the CLE53 is a more modern performance two-door than its competitors, which include the Audi S5 and BMW M440i. The pricing of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE53 is estimated to range from $75,450 to $86,000, depending on specification and options. The CLE53 is available in exclusive and Pinnacle trim levels, as are Mercedes' other models, and we believe upgrading to the Pinnacle is worthwhile. It has a head-up display, an augmented reality navigation system, updated headlamps, and access to additional third-party apps through the MBUX infotainment system. Inside, the CLE53 has the same arrangement as the CLE-class, with two wide front seats and a less spacious back row with seating for two more people. The AMG variant has a more aggressive appearance, with carbon fiber trim, microfiber upholstery, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and red stitching. Nappa leather interior is offered, as is the AMG Performance Seat Package, which includes more forcefully bolstered bucket seats in the front.